Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video we will see how we can install and download PyCharm IDE in Mac operating system. So let's get started. So we need to open PyCharm official website. So for that we are going to open the web browser and just simply search for PyCharm. Okay. So in the search results, the first search results from jetbrains.com, we are going to click on this URL and just accept these cookies pop up. Now PyCharm IDE basically used for Python. So to download PyCharm we need to make sure that we have Python installed and configured on our Mac operating system. If you do not have Python installed on your machine, you can go to my channel and see the video for the same. Also I'll be providing the URL for the same. Now there are two versions of Python. The first one is professional and second one is free one. So we are going to download this. So for that click on this download button and it will show you two versions of PyCharm professional and PyCharm community edition. We are going to download the PyCharm community edition version for the Python development. So for download, first one is Intel and second one is Apple Silicon. So Intel version is for Mac operating system having Intel based processor, and second one is for not DMG Apple Silicon, the one we are having with M1, M2 or M3 based processor. So I'm going to select this .dmg for Apple Silicon and it will start downloading. Okay, now it will download probably in few seconds and the size of the DMG file is 630 MB and it will probably download in few seconds or minutes depending upon your connection. Python PyCharm IDE has been downloaded and we are going to open our Finder and just double click on this .dmg file. A prompt will open and we can see Python, not the Python, PyCharm prompt has been opened, and we just need to drag this PyCharm icon onto the applications folder. Okay, so by dragging this it will start copying the PyCharm IDE to the application folder. Now we can see it has been copied. A pop-up sound has also we can heard. Now just click on this launchpad and we can see PyCharm has been added. Also we can verify the same by going to the applications folder and see PyCharm here. So we can open either from the launchpad or from this applications folder icon. Now PyCharm will start initializing the things and it will open up. Now it will just ask the access. So okay, import settings. So I'm not going to import any settings, and we can see the options here, projects, where we can create a new project, open any project or clone repository. We can also customize the theme, we can add several plugins. Okay, and there's a learn option where we can just learn something about PyCharm. Now I'm just going to create a new project named as Python project, and Python version has been automatically selected here. Just click on create and we can see Python project has been set up here. Now if we want to create any new file inside this, just click on this, create a Python file demo, and it will create a demo pi and just print hello world and just click on this run. You can see hello world has been printed. So I can see Python has been installed and setup has also been completed. You can see on the right hand side of the corner Python has been already installed on my machine, so it configured the same Python. So in this way you can install PyCharm IDE on your machine and start developing the Python projects. So I think that's it for today, guys. Thank you. And if you have any query or question, do comment and I will be happy to help.